We are trading on the 9th day of April today. We can see that it went flat, pretty flat, and overnight and yesterday. And it really is trying to decide what direction it wants to go at this point. So currently on the short-term chart, we can see it took a big rise, and we can see a peak that seems to have lost momentum. The RSI, you can especially see that. We've lost a lot of momentum between these two little peaks here. So I got into a short at this point, and I brought it up to the 4-hour chart over here, and you can see this gray channel that I have drawn here. I'm really suspecting that it's not going to go above the gold SMA, and I put an alert in at that point, which you can see right up here. So I'm guessing that it won't go too far above that. It might get up to that point. I don't know, but I don't think it's going to go up to that. I mean, above that point. That's my prediction for the day. I think it'll probably drop, and it could well drop a good long ways. We could be in for a big correction in the market. Okay, but just to be on the safe side, I went ahead and bracketed my order, and I put my stop a couple ticks above the, or actually one tick above the highest that it's been for the day, and put an exit order in quite a bit down there above the SMA that I saw there. That looked a little promising. It dropped down, but not very far, and then it came right back up again, and then it stopped me out. So I canceled this order. So that first trade, I lost $325. But again, with the two contracts, that's not a huge loss, honestly. So went ahead and waited till it went up and seemed to be turning, and then I got into another short at this point. And then I placed my exit order down, let's see, where did I put it? I think I put it like right here at the gold SMA. And so then I walked out of the room, and when I came back, it took a big drop and executed my order real close to where it is right here. And I made like $600 on that trade, which brought me back into the green again. So I've made $275. And at this point, I have kind of run out of time. I have other things that I really need to do. So I am done for the day. And you can see where it executed here. So my first trade, I lost money. And then I got into it short. And I could have ridden it down a lot farther. And it does look like perhaps it's dropped. As a matter of fact, it's dropped all the way down to that blue SMA down there. And it kind of bounced off of that point. So we really want to watch that to see how it interacts with that from here for the rest of the day, to see if it will bounce up at that point, which I could definitely see it doing, even if it's going to go into a longer term drop, because that is a pretty strong support. It really hasn't gone below that blue SMA for months. So yeah, it's going to be interesting, very interesting to see how it reacts with that. So I made 2 trades this morning. You can see what they are. And I didn't quite meet my $500 goal, but hey, I made money and pretty happy with that. So I got a bunch of other stuff done.